Hi, this is Lori Failer, and this is my homework for Lesson 7, where we use a push-button switch, an internal pull-up resistor, to act as a toggle switch, switching between on and off for an LED each time we press the button. I put a lot of comments in my code, so you can see it's probably a little longer than it needs to be, but just all the setup that we had previously here, and then I created another variable called button previous, and that's to keep track of what the button value was in the previous loop. And then I have a variable to keep track of the state of the LED, whether it is on or off. So in my while true loop, you can see the first thing I do is read the button current. So I read the in pin to see what the state of the button is. And I'm printing out the previous state, the current state, and the LED state just for diagnostic purposes. And then we'll know that the button has been pressed when button previous is 0 and button current equals 1. And I put in a few print statements to do some debugging. And if that happens, that means the button has been pressed and let go of. So then we check the LED state and decide whether to turn the pin on or to turn the pin off. Really critical are the delays here, the sleep times. I found that I was having a lot of difficulty if I didn't have these delays in here, and it took me a while to figure out where to put the delays so that the circuit would work consistently. And then the last really important thing is once you get to the bottom, you need to reset button previous to what button current is as it goes into the next loop. And then of course there's the keyboard interrupt to clean up as we exit the program. So let's give this a go. We'll come up here and we will run the script. And you can see the buttons are 1, 1, and false. But when I come in and I press the button, you can see it flip by and it turns to true, and there the light is on. So let's look at the button and see how it works. So I'm going to press again. Button goes off. I'm going to press and hold and then let go, and the button comes on. I'm going to press and hold and let go, and the button goes off. So it works pretty consistently, even if you do short presses or long presses. So this one gave me a lot of trouble, and mainly it was the sleep, getting the sleep in the right place in this loop. But it was a great homework. Thank you, Paul.